I wish you could feel how luxurious this leaf feels. This is not really that much of a setup. I came out this morning and this girl does not look that happy. She looks a little wilted. Hey, what's up guys? It's Erin from Enchanted Plant Queen. Thank you for joining me again on another Planterina unboxing. This time it's a rare plant. I'm super excited. I'm home from work. This is a highlight. I'm gonna have some wine because this is an event, this unboxing of this plant here. So get comfy and let's get into it, okay? Cheers. So this arrived today and it was in horizontal packaging. It does say live plants here. Anyway, I've got my trusty golden shears here. So we're gonna get into this plant, which I've ordered. By the way, once again, planterina.com, Amanda, baddest plant bee around. And this again was very heavily discounted. This plant was normally $98. I got 60% off and somebody gave me a gift card for the holidays. So it's like obscene how little I paid for this plant. So hopefully it's good. I'm nervous. I wonder if it's going to be the usual winter packaging. Oh, so wow. Wow. Okay, here's my receipt. Here is, oh, my heat pack is still warm. How lovely. But guess what this is? Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up. I have to open this. This is really good. This was the large variety. Careful, Erin. Holy. Wow. Good God, would you look at that leaf? I have never received a plant from Planterina that I don't absolutely love. Like, this is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on top. As usual, the plant is gorgeous. Soil is still moist and the heat pack was still warm. So that's fun. Okay, this is an Anthurium. This is a colloquially called a quilted heart. And this plant actually, or a Radicans luxurians, which this plant certainly is very luxurious. I mean, my God. This one also symbolizes hospitality, I guess if you're going to go down the florography route. And I guess it's because of these heart-shaped leaves. But if you gave me this as a housewarming present, I would just die. This is gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Just FYI, just to go off on a Planterina tangent, do you remember last time I opened this Maidenhair fern and I said that the secret was bottom watering? Well, it totally worked because I have a bunch of new growth and this thing looks better. So that works. Also from Planterina, also gorgeous. Wow. All right. Well, Amanda, cheers to you and this gorgeous plant. Thank you for becoming a part of my collection. Just want you guys to see, there is a lot of new growth under here. Oh my God, 3 babies. So cute. I wish you could feel how like luxurious, I mean, luxuriant, it's in the name. Few tips for this guy. So like usual, they love humidity, but they're from Ecuador, Brazil, Colombia. They don't like to be overwatered. I am debating on whether or not I should put them with these guys over here. There's a whole collection of plants because these plants together are generating a ton of humidity. And I'm definitely gonna use a grow light. So these guys need bright indirect light or just bright light, but they can't have sun beating down on them. Their leaves, their delicate leaves will absolutely burn. And this is still an expensive plant. I mean, if you buy it from Planterina and you just kind of wait for the 60% off email to come, this can be absolutely affordable. And this is really an affordable Anthurium because you know, these guys, this plant class can get absolutely obscene. expensive, like ridiculous. Soil wise, it needs a lot of room for aeration. So it's pretty much everything but soil. It's orchid bark, perlite, cocoa coir, anything that is going to be airy and light for your plant. So you can get creative and mix your own, or you can buy aeroid mix or an Anthurium mix. Okay, so while Planterina and Amanda is like probably like the queen of the plant, probably Tyler from Russo Alt is the king, the absolute king of Anthuriums, and I have learned so much from him. So he actually sells plant food for Anthuriums. He also sells potting mixes, grow light, you name it. So much education as well. I actually learned also when this guy grows too big and needs to be repotted, when you do repot, don't repot too low in the pot. You will stifle the roots and you're gonna wonder why your plant is not growing. Its growth is stunted. So don't plant it too low into the pot when you decide to upgrade. Wow, if I didn't say it again, holy shit, this is amazing. Go out and get yourself one. This is like people can have this plant, and it doesn't need to live in a case. You can enjoy this. You can put it with your other plants. It can live amongst your other plant friends in harmony, and be happy. This is massive. So I'll give you a plant update. There was an inadvertent plant update about that girl there, which I'm thrilled with. She's doing great. Thriving in her new home with all her other friends over here, just enjoying the humidity. These are her new brothers and sisters. And I'm gonna find a new home for this one, and you best believe I'm gonna be blasting it with the grow light because I wanna see how big she's gonna get. What is she gonna do? I need to keep this one happy. Many more Anthuriums to come, many more Planterina plant purchases. You know what? If you gave this to somebody for a housewarming, this is not really that much of a setup. I feel like I used to give people a string of pearls as a gift, like for birthdays or housewarming. I realized that that was in fact a setup because that's a really damn hard plant to keep alive. So this is a much more, this is like a, I would say, is this like a starter Anthurium? Maybe? Easier, like Monstera level to take care of, maybe like a little bit higher, but like totally doable. String of pearls, I feel bad for like the couple people that I got that for and were really excited, and then like they killed it. And like I said, it was a setup. I didn't even know what I was doing then. Tangent over. Came out this morning and this girl does not look that happy. She looks a little wilted. This luxurians looks like she's been all night up with the champagne. Maybe she's adjusting. So what did I do? Was I a little worried? Yes, of course. But what I decided to do was water the plant just a little bit, and I put it back with the other plants so that it could soak in its humidity of the other plants. And I let it sit there for 72 hours and it revived and has stayed revived and looking gorgeous ever since. So the plant was just in a little bit of shock, but soon recovered. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you had fun. I had fun. This was too much fun for me. This is too much fun to be having on a winter night on a Thursday. Honestly, I am overjoyed. So thanks again for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more plant tips, unboxings, more fun, hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you so much for being such an awesome plant community. I'll see you next time.